I didn't get too much accomplished yesterday with the village build. I had a lot of work I was trying to get accomplished yesterday for the blog. I still have a lot of work that I want to get accomplished today for the blog, so I'm not sure how much of the village build I'll actually get to today. I did yesterday, though, pull out the remaining totes that I have. I went through 1 or 2 of them already, and I just have these 4 that I need to go through. I got out these 4 houses right here, and then all these accessories, lots of trees, and then this is the other grandmother's house. I grabbed that out. I worked on the lighting for the rest of the city. I did switch the Center for Arts with the Village Market. So I switched those 2 buildings around. I thought I'd give McDonald's just a little bit more room so I could add my sign. I'm not sure if this is how I want my sign or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the overhead light, and I'll show you guys what the rest of the city looks like all lit up.